In this video, I will show you two methods to create dual apps on Android devices. If the first method do not work for you, then the second method, which is universal, is definitely going to work for you. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. The first method is done in your settings. So all you have to do is just open up your settings, and then what you have to search for is Dua. Once you search for Dua, you are going to see Dua Messenger. If you do not see Dua Messenger, then search for App Cloner, and you are going to see App Cloner. So as for me, mine is Dua Messenger. So just scroll down, click on it, and then you can see you can actually duplicate apps in here. So let me duplicate my Telegram. So once I activate it, I will click on install, and that's it. So once I go to my menu now, you see that I'm actually having this duplicated Telegram, and I'm also having my original Telegram. So once I click on my original Telegram, you can see I'm already using this Telegram. But if I'm to open the cloned one, you see that it's actually brand new. So you can see this other Telegram is brand new. Now, the second method is actually universal and works for all Android devices. So all you have to do is just open your Play Store app. Once it's open, search for Parallel Space. So once you search for this, you are going to see two apps at the top. You are going to see this Parallel Space app cloning that is actually having 100 million downloads right now, or you are going to see this parallel app Dua app cloner. So anyone that you feel you want to use, just use any one of your choice from these two apps, install it on your device, and then you'll be able to clone any of your app like Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, your games. You'll be able to clone them and have them multiple times in your Android device. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.